What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can open a Pocket Option account on mobile. That being either Android or iOS, the process is still the same. Also, if you want, you can use the link from the description below to create your account, and that way you will get a welcome bonus worth up to $50. And now let's get started. So once you click the link or install the app, you will be on the screen right here. So from here, if you don't have an account already, just go ahead and click registration right here. Now on this next step, you will need to input the email that you want to be associated with your Pocket Option account, the password for the account, and the promo code if you have one. Now it doesn't matter if you click the link or input the promo code, but I will also leave my promo code in the description down below so you can input it here and secure that $50 welcome bonus. Now, once you inputted everything, you can click I read and accepted the following agreement right here. Now I can't input my own promo code, but it will work for you. So once you inputted all of this, just go ahead and click registration again. And now your account is created. So hello and welcome to Pocket Option. You can just click continue right here. But we're still not finished with the account setting up process. So just go ahead and select your country or region and then select the currency. Now I will just change this to euros to avoid any currency conversion fees, and just go ahead and click confirm right here. Now to finish setting up your account, you will need to deposit some funds into your Pocket Option account. So here, once you click deposit, you would be able to select a deposit method or the account top-up method by just scrolling down and selecting whichever one of these works for you. Now once you deposited some funds onto your account, you can go back to the trading page by clicking on your icon right here and selecting trading. Now you can just select whichever one of these you would like, for example quick trading. And from here you can start trading right away. So that's guys how you can open your Pocket Option account on mobile. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Also, don't forget to use my promo code from the description down below to receive a welcome bonus. Thank you for watching.